Yo, damn, so I left out late as fuck. It's like almost 6 o'clock, so I'm on my way to right now to like Autobahn. It says I'm supposed to be getting there at 7, but I'm gonna try to rush it. Well, but be safe, but I'll see you in a second. Trying to get this Acura. He's like, I don't know if you can see it. It's like back there. He's like going slow as shit. Slow down a bit. Yo, I don't even know if you can see me and shit. But yo, I'm at Autobahn. Yo, almost got into a fucking fight coming here in the car. Yo, beat Brandon. I'm not coming here no more, bro. I'm not coming to Baltimore no more. Almost got into a fight. Like, all they do is fucking, yo, they're like on your fucking bumper here in fucking Baltimore. That's how they fucking drive here, dude. But probably can't see it. I'm probably not gonna be vlogging that much. Probably must gonna be taking pictures. Yo, they cannot fucking drive in Baltimore, dude. I'm not coming back. Now I see why I don't fucking come out here, bro. And I'm about to see if Keon here. I gotta fucking find his Instagram or whatever.
This is a homage beat.
This nigga funny as shit. I didn't even see them over here. Like, what the fuck?
Oh, these buckets. Okay.
Oh, motherfucker. If it...
Shit.
Yo, these dudes
I
funny
didn't know
as
that
shit.
kid was gonna backfire like that. I was like,
I know. Like, what the hell?
Uh-oh. Oh, shit. You about to send it.
That was an AMG, right?
That bitch got caught, though. They probably already raced. They probably stopped, though.
Oh, look, they made friends.
Mustang boys. That's the lady that drives it.
I think that dude's stalking me.
Straight. Oh, that's the LS swap. IS300.
Ladies and gentlemen, what? Your lights! Turn them on though. I thought he was gonna fly.
Yeah, that's why I was like, don't turn.
Fucking Mustang.
These fucking drones in the way. Just go. Can't see. Oh shit.
At least he got it under control.
Please, somebody.
What the fuck? No, what? This is just great. That dude, who was he beeping at?
No, he just did it because his horn sound.
I want underglow, but I want it white so I can see the lines.
Well,
They
people
think-
go in different colors.
They think it's ricer, but a lot of people get it done for like. With me, I would get it done for a reason, just to see the lines at night. For like the roads with no lights. I watch you. Yo, this nigga funny.
That anime ass Honda. You feel me? For a Honda. That sounds good. See, I need some shit like that. Something that sound nice.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.